Can you really make money with affiliate marketing and ditch your 9-to-5 job? Or is it just a big, massive waste of time? Well, today I'm going to reveal the 6 steps that literally anyone can follow, even beginners, to make life-changing money. But first, who am I? Well, my name is Chris, and I'm a full-time dad, affiliate marketer, and podcast host. And here we talk about building passive income streams that work for you so you don't have to. And if you want help to build your side hustle to over $100,000 in revenue, be sure to go check out oneblogaway.co. That's oneblogaway.co. There I have a free course that you can check out and have the opportunity to work with me one-on-one. Now let's get into the video. All right, so let's just jump to the basics. What is affiliate marketing? Basically, in a nutshell, you are partnering with other companies and businesses to promote their products, and then you get paid a commission anytime someone makes a purchase on your recommendation. So for example, I have a favorite pizza place that's right around the corner. I go there so much that the owner knows me by name. Now, let's just say one day he walks up to me and he says, "Hey, Chris, I know you love this pizza. If you go tell any of your friends and family and they come in and they buy a pizza, I'm going to give you $10. That's basically what affiliate marketing is. Now, I just have to go tell my friends, tell my family, and every time somebody goes there and makes a purchase, guess who makes a little bit of money? But let's make this a little bit more interesting. If I had 5 people go there, I mean $50. What if I had 500 people go there? What if I had 1,000 people go there? All of a sudden, we're talking about some serious income that you can have just from referring other people's products. The main drawback to affiliate marketing is that you do need to give the traffic or the people away to the person that you're promoting and hope that they can turn them into a sale. If they can't turn them into a sale, you're just sending them traffic for no reason. So affiliate marketing usually does require a little bit of testing and taking the people who do come into your brand and then sending them somewhere that actually is going to turn them into a customer. But the best part is when this works, it works really, really well. Check out this screenshot right here with just one of the affiliates that I have used that I've made a ton of money with in a relative short period of time, just because I got the right people to the right offer at the right time. Now, my absolute favorite part about affiliate marketing is that it's really open to anybody. You don't have to have a high set of skills. You don't have to be a great writer. You don't have to be a good salesman. In fact, I recommend people don't be a salesman at all, because the second you keep trying to sell somebody on something, then they're not going to end up buying it, because nobody likes being sold to. You just want to promote products that you like, that you enjoy, and hopefully have used. That way you can reliably recommend it to other people, and then you can make some money on the back end. So how do we become an affiliate marketer? Well, it's a little bit easier said than done, but if you follow a predictable path of what other people have done in the past, it's actually not too difficult. So let's jump into number 1. So the first thing you need to do to become an affiliate marketer is you need to pick a lucrative topic or a niche for your market. So a niche is just a topic that you want to create content around. I particularly like creating content around blogs and YouTube videos. And once you create that content, you're going to attract people. Now, you have to get something that is lucrative. And when I say lucrative, I mean it's going to actually make you some money on the other side. There's no point in creating and spending all of this time creating content if you're not going to have a way to make a lot of money on the back end. In fact, I do have an entire training over at oneblogaway.co. It's a masterclass that if you sign up, you'll be able to see exactly how to choose the right niche the first time and not have to worry about wasting a ton of time in the wrong niche. But to save you a little bit of time, the 2 things that you need to absolutely look for to see if a niche is lucrative or not is, number 1, is there a lot of people who are interested in it? So is there a lot of other websites and other YouTube channels that talk about that particular subject? Do they exist? If you don't see a lot of YouTube channels and blogs talking about this subject, chances are there may not be a lot of traffic there for you to want to take advantage of. You don't want to be the only person in an ocean, right? You want to be there with a few other people, because the competition shows you that there is money that can be made. The other thing is you want to make sure that the amount of money that you can make with this is going to be high ticket, as in something that's more than just a few cents per sale. We're talking at least $50, $100, $200, maybe even $1,000 every time you make a sale. That way you don't have to make too many of them and you end up making a decent amount of money. And then the other one is the holy grail when it comes to lucrative affiliate marketing, and that is recurring income. So if you can find a product that will pay you over and over and over again, recurring money for as long as the person that you recommended stays a member at a particular place, you're going to end up making money, and it just compounds over time. So keep those things in mind when you're looking for a lucrative niche for affiliate marketing. The number 2 thing you have to do is you need to plan and build a website. Now, this was hard to do in 2010. Nowadays, you can literally click a few buttons and your website is up and running. But you need to have a place that you can send people to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And that's really the issue that we have here when it comes to building your own business versus working a 9-to-5 job. When you work a 9-to-5 job, you can only work 8 hours. You can only work maybe 10 or 12 if you're doing overtime. But for the most part, you can only work on stuff for 8 hours, which naturally will cap the amount of money that you can possibly make. However, if you spend the time to learn how to and to build a website, you have a place you can send people to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, which means even when you're sleeping, people are landing on your website and making purchases using affiliate marketing, and you are getting the commissions because of it. Now, number 3, once you have planned the website, you do now need to build that website. Again, it's not as super technical as it used to be in the past, but there is a little bit of a learning curve there. However, once you get past this learning curve, it's actually very, very simple to get the site up and running. You literally just have to set it up one time and the site's there. You now just have to concentrate on doing the next step, number 4, which is start writing and building and publishing content. So in order to make money with your website, you do need to attract people. And the only way to attract people is by creating content that is going to attract people. And the best way to do that is using search engine optimization, or SEO. Put simply, search engine optimization is just a way that a search engine like Google will organize your content so that when someone is looking for a particular question, problem, or concern, your website can easily be found. Usually when you are using a website to create content and publish there so that you can attract people with SEO, it's a very low barrier of entry, which means you don't have to spend a lot of money in order to do that. If you're creating the content yourself, you can run an entire blog for less than $20 per month. Now, once your site does get to the point to where it's making a few $100 per month, a few $1,000 per month, you can then reinvest that money to buy back your time and then hire people to write the content for you. There are tons of ways in which you can do that, but one of my favorite places to do that is at writeraccess.com. There you'll get a free $50 coupon just for signing up, which we should be able to pay for a couple of articles for free, and then you'll be able to go online and now have some articles on your website, and you didn't have to write a thing. Now, number 5, once you have written and you have published that content and you start getting traffic to your site using Google SEO, it's now time to monetize that content by going out and finding affiliate programs that are going to pay you the money that we talked about in number 1, finding that lucrative niche. So to go out and find some affiliate marketing programs that are going to work for your website, just think about your niche, go to Google, type in your niche, and then put the plus sign and say affiliate program. What you'll end up finding is a lot of websites that have really done the work for you in finding affiliate programs, I should say, that you can apply to and then start getting traffic to their offers where you can start making some affiliate commissions. Don't be afraid. Sometimes when you apply to these programs, if your site's not getting a ton of traffic or you only have like 1 or 2 articles on your site, then they might deny you, but just continue to build up the site because it's to their best interest to work with you because you are going to be sending them free leads to their business based on the people who are coming to your business. So just build up around 5 to 10 articles, make your site look professional, and then apply to these websites if they denied you when you applied initially. So number 6, once you have applied to these affiliate marketing programs and been accepted, they will give you a special tracking link that you can place on your site so that when people click on it, they know that the traffic that landed on your site and then went to theirs came from you. That way they can attribute any sales that might occur from the people that you refer to their website. Each one of these affiliate programs have some type of affiliate dashboard that you can look at to see how many clicks you're getting to the affiliate, how many people are actually becoming sales. You do want to check these quite often. I check it probably once a month, depending on how many affiliates my website might happen to be, just to make sure that the clicks are still happening and that the sales are still happening. The reality is affiliate marketing works, and it works very, very well even in 2023, and I definitely recommend that you give it a try. With the right planning and the right help, you can actually build a website and get your links out there. But it's a whole nother story to get people to finally find your content and then to click on those offers. So if you want some help with that, go check out the video right there where I go into full detail on how you can go from 0 to having a website that's up and running and making money in no time.